Hey guys, this is Renee and I'm going through the front yard garden that we got in effect. Got almond trees, we got a pear tree, another almond, along with some natural desert plants, sage and different herbs. Over here I have another little garden bed, which is planted right into the ground. Got a lot of tomatoes here. Got an oil pot in there. Got some longevity spinach, some cat grass, Dinasour Kale, lots of tomatoes, some corn that randomly popped up. Doing good. It's got a couple stalks on it. Alright, there you go. I've got a lot of chard over here, some green onions. Kind of get back so you can kind of see the whole view. So this is the little garden we got in the front yard. Trying to utilize all our space around here. Got some baby moringas growing. Bell peppers, green and some other colors within here. Got some potatoes growing. They must have came from some cuttings that I dropped. So we got potatoes growing in here. More chard. Just a lot of different yummies. I gotta get a lot of these tomatoes off. You can see I got Nopal Cactus, Nopales, the Spanish name. And I have this big Chinese, China berry, yeah. Very pretty tree, but it's very good for the desert. Grows fast, doesn't take much water. It can be kind of invasive, especially if you're planting it where you do a lot of watering, because they can pop up. You can see here some of the babies that popped up. Got one back there. But it's very pretty, and I kind of planted the garden right under there because I wanted to give the garden a little bit of shade throughout the day because we get full sun right here. And so far everything is doing wonderful. Alright guys, until next time, God will, be back again. All glory to the Most High. Thank you. Peace.